2013 ordinary level junior cert short questions. Okay, I'm going to start off here with question 1, orthographic views. We have our elevation, we project across to our end view, which gives us our heights. Just one completed. Question 2, freehand, isometric. So we start off 30 degree, 30 degree, vertical lines stay vertical, and then all horizontal lines run parallel. You have your curve here, and you match it on this side. And then color or shade. I'm just going to shade in that. And then shade in one end. So we just say that our light source is coming from there, and we put in our horizon line. Question 3. This is what we call a scanner. It's used for scanning pictures into a computer. Question 4. We start off by creating an mirror image of what all of this is. So we put in our lines. We then get our big circle, which is from the center to the outside. And we draw that in. Heavy. Then we have a smaller circle which goes from the center to the center of the top right hand or left hand box. So that's that. We can then complete our arrow. Question 5. Ellipse theories. The theory we need to know is that half the major swung from the top of the minor gives me my focal points. I then come across horizontally from there and from there, and that allows me to draw in my shaded diamond shape. And again, a bit of shading. Question 6. Isometric freehand with the grid lines. We count the boxes. Top is 4, down 1, back 3, 2, and the depth is 3. So we have 3 there, 3 here, 3, 3, 3. Color or shade. Question 7. We count the boxes. Any box that is more than half is counted. Okay, so we have 5 there, 8 there, so straight away that's 40. And this one is bigger than half, so 1, 2, that's bang on half, so 3, 4. This one is less than half, so we don't count that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so 44. Question 8. We measure this length, which is 71 millimeters. We put our ruler at 0. We measure 71 millimeters, which takes me to there. It's halfway between 160 and 200, which means it's 180 centimeters. Same for B. We measure B. We measure it out. B was 40. Come over 40, which takes me to here. So that is halfway between 80 and 120, which is 100 centimeters. Question 9. Elevation view. I'm looking at the object from here, so what do I see? Tree, tree, tree. And then above this here, you just see one more here. So Question 10. We measure the radius with our compass. So that's the radius. We mark that on the other side from this bottom point. So swing arc. We then measure from the center, that's the center of that, and we mark that on the other side. Where the two of them cross gives me a point. Set my compass to from there to there, and we draw in our curve. Question 10. From here to here, what's included? Just a line, so sketch line. B to C, 2D to 3D, extrude. Okay, in this one we're creating the shadow or the silhouette that would occur on that surface if I was shining a light. If I was shining a light in from here. So I project all my lines until I hit. All of these are parallel construction lines. Okay, this is on the ground, so from there I'm going to be going vertically up. Then I'm coming in the step, so parallel. Then I'm going straight up until I hit this line. Then I'm going horizontally across. From there I join to there. So that is the outline. So that's the shadow that it would show. Okay, we have a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Pentagon is a part of the polygon family, so in a polygon all sides have to be the same length. So I measure the length of the bottom and then I mark that off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternatively, what we could have done is we could have extended that line on and measured an angle of 72 degrees, because 360 divided by 5 sides is 72 external angle. Okay, next question is perspective. So we need our vanishing lines. Vertical lines stay vertical. Line. Right, and the last one is axial symmetry. So there's my axle of symmetry. So everything needs to be moved the same distance across on the other side. So that distance over. So I projected my lines across to give me distances, and then with my compass I just simply measure the distance. There we have axial symmetry in the line LL1, and that's 2013 ordinary level short questions complete.